I'm the business owner of Absolute Clean. And currently what the industry is missing to safer product choices is definitely clarity and transparency and the way to promote a healthful and sustainable cleaning practices is definitely making the language more clear, more readable to any average person that can understand. And also definitely using, I think that humans are very visual people, so I think using colors that will definitely grab attention would make a difference in regards to having people make safer choices, having the labels have the same font, no colors. It just puts everything together and it doesn't really pull your attention to make sure that you are following the instructions to take care of your health.